Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you a good replacement for Gold Source editor. So in this case I'm talking about Jackhammer editor, which is going to replace your Half-Life 1 Counter-Strike 1.6 mapping tool. Why? Because it's a really cool toolkit. It has not limitations which original editor has, so it's really good replacement. First of all, when you install this application Jackhammer, it will ask you to provide a folder for your Half-Life, Quake, Quake 2 and Quake 3 game folders. So you can work here in Linux, in Windows. It works with Quake 1, 2, 3 and Half-Life based engine games. So let's just go to options first of all. Well, once you start this application, it will say that there are many errors in this area because you have to assign textures manually this way. So you just hold shift and you remove everything from here like this. Then you click add textures and you go to your WAV folder and you select all your WAD files and you hit open. Then you will need to make sure you have here proper folders. So in my case I have my Half-Life game in a folder HL, and this is my WAV directory, so it's Half-Life 1 directory. Also it's working with Half-Life, I mean not Half-Life, it works with Half-Life, but also it works with Quake 1, Quake 2 and Quake 3, so it's cross-platform editor. Also many features of this edition are very cool, extremely cool. So let's just have a look. So new, it will pre-cache all the data from the game itself and we will be set for work. So you can see that it's pretty the same style, but we have here different icons and more functions. So while having our mouse cursor here, I press Z and we can dive in this room. So we have gray big ground and we have the sample room. So this is our start position, light source, and now let's play with new features. So we can add entities, so let's do this right now. So we go to properties, and actually there are many features that are going to be in this edition, and let's start with this one. Model preview. So let's just find Barney. It's monster Barney, and you can see that this preview is working like this. So we have it animated, we can make it like this. Also about texture preview. So in previous version of this editor, I mean not this one, in Gold Source editor. So if you create some texture, some object with texture, and you want to check a transparency level of this object, you had to go to game itself and check it out in the game. Now you can do it right in editor. So let's just create this object and you can see it like this. But let me just show you more. So I click here and browse for another texture. I just select this one, apply, and let's make an entity. Let's make it wall, and we go to render mode, texture, and let's make it transparent. So like this, 100, enter, and we have it working right from the editor, out from the box. And also I must admit that to set everything up it's really easy. So it's not like in Wolfhammer editor in previous versions. Also, you may notice here this blue thing here is our viewport location. So this is where from we're looking at this cube. So to be honest, many features for me are unknown, so I'm just, just like you watch this video and you can see that something is new for you, and this is something is also new for me, so I have never check it, everything from the stuff this editor provides. So let's have a look. So clip, show high clip faces in 3D, show high hint faces in 3D, no draw, good. Models, ooh, okay. Show high connection between targets and their triggers. This is awesome. This is cool feature from Sour's version of Wolfhammer editor. So let's just have a look. Let's create a button and door and have a look at how it's gonna work. So let's just create a button. This guy gonna be button, browse, and let's search button. Good. Create object, and let's fit every side of this button like this. Good. And now let's create a door. Let's just say it's gonna be here. Browse door. This one. This is the first door I selected. Create. And now let's also fit it like this. Oh, good. We're good. Now let's create a door from this. Tie to entity button. No door. Function door must be somewhere here. Okay. Tie to entity function door. Door. Good. Let's give a name. Door. Enter. Good. And this is gonna be our button. Function button. Tie to entity button. No, just button. Okay. Name button. Target door. Cool. Auto select, and now let's have a look at target connections. I don't see any target connections. Oh, okay, now it's working. Now I can see. Well, it's pretty awesome. I wonder, will it work in real time if I just move it like this? Ah, movement is not real time, so you can see it, from here. So it's not moving real time. Okay, so what do we have? Play. Yeah, play. Trigger transparency in 3D. Okay. Toggle word face align. I don't know. Lock. Good. Toggle for scaling. Yeah, this is all the same. Well, make each of the selected solids of group of hollow objects. Rotation, yes. Flip, align, rotate. So let's have a look. Messages, blah blah blah, the same. Web resources. Okay, volatile 3D 2 engine. So I guess this is this engine which this developer is using now. Plugins, Quake, tools. Okay, everything is almost the same. Transparency. And let's have a look at map extensions which can be used here in this editor. So export and open. Let's have a look here. So look, we can open Half-Life, maps, Quake 2, Quake 3, Quake 1, and all other not build Half-Life related and Quake related maps. And now let's have a look at export. we can export as map. Good. So yeah guys, that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye bye. Bye bye, have a good time. See you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye. And only one feature I want to see here, it's real-time lighting. Yeah, it will be good. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.